So, what I want to get onto now are the 5 areas on your LinkedIn profile that is an essential as a business owner. I want to talk to you about, why they're important, what they do. I mentioned I view it as a puzzle, and these pieces need to fit together. They need to work holistically, for the algorithm, for the humans that are reading your profile as well. So, very important. All right. So, really, this is around setting your profile up. And setting your profile up can seem like a trivial activity, but it's actually the bedrock of using LinkedIn. If you overlook this, there are a few things that can happen, right? If you overlook setting your profile up, the algorithm, and you may or may not have heard, there's a new algorithm on LinkedIn called 360 Brew. I go into detail in that in the LinkedIn Strategy Lab, and it's really important that you understand that, because those are the rules that you need to play to. If you don't know the rules, then what are you doing? Like, how can you expect to win? Now, 360 Brew is looking at your profile setup, the information in your headline, the information in your experience. It's looking at your content. It's looking at your comments, right? All of that is being reviewed, analyzed to make a station of who you are and who you should be put in front of. So if you miss profile optimization, remember I was saying all these pieces, this is one of the key pieces, right? So let's start. This section here that I'm showing you is what I call the above the fold section. These papers used to be folded, or they still are, right? People would make a decision on whether they wanted to buy based on the headline. So if your headline was grabbing, compelling, it was, juicy, people are going to purchase the newspaper. Whereas if it was a bit meh, they might have kept their 20p in their pocket. Newspapers now, I don't know. I see some crazy prices. Let me know if you buy newspapers, how much they are. It's wild, right? And that's the same with your LinkedIn headline. If you have not optimized your headline, if you don't have a compelling headline, if you don't have a headline that speaks to the person that you're wanting to help, they will scroll away. They'll scroll past, right? So the first thing that I want to speak about is your profile photo. Now, let me know. Do you guys have a profile photo? Do you have the blue avatar that LinkedIn just assigns you, that faceless blue shape, right? That doesn't allow for connection. We love to see faces. And if you do not have a face, again, that leads to suspicion, that leads to caution. People are like, oh, is this an actual person? Is this a bot? Do I want to even connect with them, let alone do business with them? So your profile photo is important. It doesn't have to be a professional photo in terms of, like, you don't need to have a photographer take the photo. Or iPhones or Androids, if you have an Android, I'm gonna pray for you, come over to iPhone, right? If your smartphone is fine, right? Either set up a tripod or get somebody to take the photo. Don't do a selfie. Don't try to crop a photo from a wedding where somebody's shoulder is in the picture and you try to crop them out. Let's not do that. But ideally, you want to have as much of your face. A lot of people, I see their photo and it has a lot of torso. And what that means is their face is ridiculously small. Think about on a mobile, the majority of people use LinkedIn on a mobile, right? If you're that small, you're missing that opportunity for connection, for that trust building. There was a client I was working with, and her profile, she looked so, the only word I can think of is sour. She just looked so miserable. And I'm like, you're not endearing me to want to connect with you, let alone work with you. So having, a nice, smiley, approachable, personable photo is important.